Hello everybody and welcome back to MDTV. Totally different one today. And what brought this to mind was that I was actually doing some cooking the other evening, and I reached across the cooker and actually caught my arm on the edge of a pan. And I went, oh, that hurt. Never thought any more about it. But if you can see on the camera, I can't even find it now, you see this little mark across here, and it's actually quite sore. And it got me to thinking about safety in the home for ourselves as we get a little bit older. Then what happened, and it's almost like things do happen for a reason, is that our friends from Able 2 said that they actually had the Uccello kettles, you know, back in stock. Now the problem is, when people actually have up to a litre in a normal kettle, to actually lift it up and get it from that point there to that point there, there is a good fact that somebody might just spill it on the hands. It doesn't seem much at first, but for somebody who's a little bit older, that it can be quite a problem because it takes much longer to heal up. But with the Uccello kettle, you can actually have up to sort of a litre in this. Now, if you actually have it down on its minimum mark on the front of here, you can see it's 0.7. 0.7 of a litre is actually 3 cups. So you can actually boil a kettle 3 times. So it's not too heavy at that. But yet again, it's like the other one. To actually get that into a cup, you've got to really haul it over. With this sits in this cradle. It plugs into your mains with a plug just the same as normal. Plug it in, but what you do to pour it, and you put it in the position that you like. You put your cup where you know it's going to work, because you soon get used to it. But I mean, basically, if you get it up to the front of the kettle there, you can see that you want to just learn where to put it, and it pours very, very safely. I'm going to keep going till that's filled up, and then when you let go, even if you do let go quite abruptly, you know, it won't think. If somebody wants to then come round to the house and help the person fill it up, they can do. It's just literally lift it out and you pop it in there. Even with the full capacity in, it still pours very, very nicely. Right, we're also going to do something that we don't usually do. As you know, we tell people about things. These are a product that we are more than happy for you to purchase from us. We will put them in the post for you. All you have to do, and we will put the number across the bottom of the screen for you, it's our Northallerton shop, which is 01609 77 6484, 01609 77 6484, but it will come up on the screen. And if you'd like to buy one, all you have to do is ring up and ask for, probably ask for Nathan or Carol, or anybody who's there, and just say that you want a Uccello kettle. All we need is your name and address. And the horrible bit, they're actually on 1 or 2 channels which won't last long, because once they're out of stock, they probably won't get any more. They're doing them for $74.99 plus next day delivery. We aren't going to do that. We're going to do them for $59.99 if you come into the shop to buy one. If you want us to post them, the post for one of these is £8, but that's not next day. It'll come within 2-3 days maximum, but it's usually just 2. So if you'd like to buy one, the total price, if you want one delivering, that's all wrapped up for you, they're coming to you at $67.99. Hope that helps. It certainly helps keep things safe. The big thing, is that not only does it keep things safe for the person that's using them, which is the most vital part of it, it also keeps things safe for the family who are out at work and this sort of thing. And it's one less thing to worry about, that mum, dad, whoever it happens to be, part of your family is at home. You fill the kettle up, you know that they can have 3, 6, with a litre it's up to 9 cups of coffee a day, or tea, or whichever your preferred option is, and that they're going to be able to do that in safety, because they don't even have to fill it up in the first place. All you do to switch it on, you just press the button at the back like on any normal kettle, and then pour it when it's boiled, and it'll automatically click off when it's finished. Hope that helps. So $67.99 delivered to your door. Just give us a ring on Northallerton, and yet again the numbers come up at the bottom. Hope that helps. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much for your time, as always. We do appreciate everything that you do for us, and thank you for your support, as always. Thank you.